Since Kauai is known for its glittering sea and its rugged coastline, my mom and I had to get out on the water. We booked the Sunset Na Pali tour with Holo Holo Charters and met our crew in Port Allen. We chose Holo Holo because of their great reviews and also their very modern boats, which are the biggest and fastest in the area. My mom and I were looking for a smooth ride up to the Na Pali coastline, and the 65-foot power catamaran was the best bet on the waves. But don't be fooled, it still was a bumpy ride. We rode the waves like a roller coaster, and we did get quite wet on the way. However, with all of that beauty, the flowing drinks, and the snacks, everyone was still in the aloha spirit. On the way up the island, we were treated with a surprise show by the playful humpback whales. It was breeding season, and many of these giant mammals were splashing, jumping, and diving all around us. And this was one of the best whale viewings I've ever seen, and it wasn't even a whale watching cruise. After an hour or so of cruising, we finally had arrived. We slowed down to absorb the majesty of these 4,000-foot cliffs. And though it was a sunny, clear day, the Na Pali coastline was shrouded in this mystical presence with fog and mist. You could almost feel the Hawaiian goddesses and all the legends coming to life here. Our captain told us more about the history and the cultural significance behind this sacred place, even pointing out a few special spots, formations and carvings, and a sea turtle or two. After many photos, videos, and many gasps at this beautiful coastline, we began our cruise back down to the port. The crew treated us to a taco feast with kalua pork, fish, guacamole, and all the other fixings. My mom and I toasted the setting sun as we reflected on this island coastline adventure, certainly one of our most memorable experiences on Kauai.